Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Scorbunny from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw a rectangle shape above intersection. Draw nose. Draw mouth. Draw ear. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Detail the ear. Draw a new shape for the body. Draw stick lines for the hand position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw hand. Draw hand. Detail the eyes. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.